You know that rush when you finally clean out that junk drawer that's been haunting you? There's actual psychology behind why decluttering feels so good. Let's dive into what's really happening in our brains when we can't stop organizing. The dopamine hit. When you declutter, your brain releases dopamine, that feel-good neurotransmitter. Every item you toss gives you a small chemical reward. But it's not just about the action itself, it's about regaining control. In a world where so much feels chaotic, decluttering is one area where you have complete authority. You decide what stays and what goes. Control and anxiety. Many people who love decluttering are managing anxiety. Physical clutter creates visual noise that overstimulates our brain. Studies show cluttered environments increase cortisol, the stress hormone. For anxious people, decluttering becomes a coping mechanism. If your job is stressful or relationships are complicated, you can't always fix those immediately, but you can organize your closet. That sense of mastery over your space translates to feeling more in control of your life. Simplifying decisions. There's also the cognitive load factor. A closet stuffed with clothes you never wear isn't abundance, it's dozens of decisions you face every morning. People who love decluttering want to simplify their decision-making. When you reduce possessions to only things you truly use and value, getting dressed becomes easier, finding things becomes faster, and your mental energy is freed up for what matters. Identity and letting go. Perhaps the most profound aspect is about identity. The things we own tell a story about who we were. That expensive bread maker from your brief baking phase, those business clothes from a career you've moved on from. By letting go of objects tied to old versions of themselves, people are making a statement, I'm not that person anymore, and that's okay. It's a form of self-acceptance. The reset button. Finally, decluttering serves as a psychological reset button. After a breakup, a move, or at the start of a new year, the external transformation mirrors an internal one. For people who love this process, an empty shelf isn't just empty, it's potential, it's breathing room, it's making space for something better. So the next time you see someone gleefully organizing, remember they're not just tidying up, they're reclaiming control, managing anxiety, and accepting themselves. That's a lot of psychology packed into letting go. If you found this interesting, drop a comment below and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.